Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Klarus XT12GT. Now I was sent this by Banggood.com. They wanted me to test and review this product. Comes in this box. Kind of go over, does come with an output total of 1600 lumens. It's got 603 meters of throwing distance, and this is what the box looks like. We're going to go through those specs there, and if you want to read them a little bit longer, go ahead and pause your screen. Alright, so let's wait no further and let's open this up and see what's in. Now this is a complete flashlight kit. Comes with everything you need. Comes with the battery. Comes with that user manual. Multi-languages in there. And it comes with a Klarus design promotion. And it comes with a holster. Comes with a lanyard and an extra set of O-rings in there. And this is the special magnetic charging cable. We'll go ahead and take that out of the bag here. And here's the holster. Okay. Now this holster feels pretty good. There's no padding here. This is strictly a cloth. Feels pretty rugged though. Okay, and here's the USB magnetic charging cable. So let's go ahead and take a look at the light. Now this is a reminder label to remove the plastic seal here that's on the negative end of the battery here. So we're going to go ahead and remove that now, and that's all there is on that. And I'll go ahead and show you the battery. Comes with a 3600 milliamp, and that's a lot of power. Now this is a protected cell, and this is an extremely high quality battery and a lot of power in milliamps to be able to run this light for long run times. And there's the tail spring there, nice and heavy duty. We'll go ahead and show you the spring down inside, which looks pretty much identical to the one on the tail cap. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this back together. Okay, and now I'm going to show you the magnetic. All you do is put that on there. Makes a good seal. Definitely a nice seal. So that's what it looks like when it's hooked up. Real simple magnetic. Really nice. Alright, so let's go ahead and put away some of this stuff here. Let's take a look at it in the holster here. See how the holster protects it. Light came on there. It's definitely got some clearance there, so definitely protecting the light, so that's a plus. Alright. Okay, so now let's take a look at the light. Really nice. Got the tripod mount there. It's got a heavy duty clip. Very nice tactical feel and look. Okay, so now just checking out the machining, knurling on this. Feels pretty rough. Not a sharp edge on this. Finish is outstanding. Got that tactical, quick access. To my understanding, you can also program this light. And this is running the Cree XHP35 high D4 LED. It's got a nice smooth reflector. Got that steel bezel on there. Just nice tactical feel to that. And of course you can carry this every day. Definitely for a regular everyday user. Really nice quality. Okay, now I have mine programmed on the user 1 setting, so it doesn't have SOS. Has everything else, has quick access to the strobe, which is what I like. So let's go ahead and go over the user interface on this. Now we'll go ahead and turn it on for you. And as you can see, the green light there telling you your battery level. Now this battery is specially made for this flashlight. And what I'm saying is that it's a 15 amp high amp battery, 3600 milliamps, but the amps on it, on the protection circuit, is 15 amps. So that's the only way you'll be able to achieve the 1600 lumen turbo output on this light, is with the battery that it comes with. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll go through the user interface here. You're just going to tap on the lever here, as you can see. You can click on that. It's real easy, so if you're holding it like this, easy to go through those light outputs. Like that. Now when you want strobe, you just press and hold that, and if you release it within 2 seconds, it'll go right back to the regular UI. Now if you press and hold it for longer than 2 seconds, it will stay on. You hit strobe, release it, so it's kind of an on and off feature. It's kind of nice, or you can leave that turned on. Quick tap turns that back out. Really nice user interface, very tactical, very nice, very bright. I can't wait to take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Klarus XT12GT, and it starts off on high and goes down through the UI. Got some really nice throwing power on this. Playing with it earlier. Look at it across the park with these. Beautiful clear night for a change. Kind of cold out here. About 35 degrees. Tree line. Fence line. Look at the length of that. Incredible. Such a small light. Spill. Nice wide spill on this. Looking across the park, as you can see. Very impressed. Famous tree of life. Making the school there, as you can see. making the palm tree, and it is faintly making that. And it is faintly making the other one as well. Really nice. Really nice. Making both those playgrounds with these. And we're going to go ahead and step down to the next level here. Still got some good light output here. And this one comes with a 3600 milliamp battery. Still making it across the park there. That's impressive. All right. And we're going to go to the next level downward. As you can see, still lighting up 30 feet there, 35 feet actually. And it is faintly, probably easily making 35 feet out all the way up. Probably is going to do a little bit further, check 60 feet. Yeah, it is faintly making 60 feet, so that's pretty good. All right. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. What amazing light output and throw this thing has. I'm really impressed with this. Easily throws out there. I was quite impressed for this size to literally fit in your hand. Turn that on. It is just amazing light output. Beam is super focused. I really am really impressed with this Klarus. I like the style, the design. I like the magnetic charger. More and more of lights are coming out with this. Makes it real easy to charge. And it also don't have to worry about rubber flaps getting lost or broken or leaking, damaging the light. This is sealed. All you got to do is plug this in. Not even plug it in really, but just hook it up to the magnetic and you're charging right away, and this glows red when it's charging. Machining everything on this light is excellent. Comes with everything you need. Comes with a very high output battery, one of the most powerful batteries out there in milliamps that I've seen. That adds a lot of value to this kit. So I want to thank again Banggood for sending me this for review, and they have provided me a special discount code on this light and this whole kit, and you'll see it right up on that screen right about there, and you can use that discount code to save you quite a bit of money on this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of kits to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.